A lot of people want to start dropshipping on Etsy, but they don't know where to start and if even dropshipping is allowed on Etsy. And if you have any question about Etsy, I will answer that question right now. I'm going to show you every single thing I know about how you can start doing dropshipping on Etsy from Aliexpress. Like, the reason why people use Aliexpress is because they can find the cheapest items on Aliexpress. Now, if you are wondering if Etsy allows dropshipping or not, the answer is yes. They don't care. If you are a dropshipper, they don't really care if you are a dropshipper. They care about one thing, which is, you probably know it, they care about if the item is handmade or not. If you are a dropshipper from Aliexpress, they don't care. If you are a dropshipper from Amazon, they don't care, as long as the item is handmade, which is the main reason why Etsy website is here. Like, we can find handmade products. It's not like the same like e-commerce websites like Amazon, Walmart, where you can find any product. Here you can only find handmade products. That's why I made this video. I want to show you guys what you need to do, guys, to start dropshipping correctly on Etsy. They are not going to ban your account as long as you sell handmade products. Like I said, focus on this thing before you can list anything, because if you can just list any product you find on any e-commerce website, your account will be banned 100%. Now make sure, you guys, you do this at your own risk. Like, if you list any product, for example this one, if you list this on your Etsy account, 1,000,000% it will get banned. Like, I've been doing dropshipping on Etsy for 3 years, so I know, guys, what I'm talking about. If you list this item, it will get banned, because this is not a handmade product. It's very clear this is coming from a big company. Now, what you need to do, guys, to start this business, you want to, for example, go with something that is handmade. For example, jewelries. As you can see, this jewelry, it looks like it's handmade. Okay, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will see her handmade item. It's handmade. Now, what you need to do, guys, you want to sell the same item. You want to go and search for on Aliexpress. You want to search for necklace. Okay, for women, of course, you can do this with any categories. I just like to sell jewelries, especially on Etsy, because most of the time you can find handmade products on Aliexpress easily. Now search for necklace for women, and then next to it add custom name. Okay, now here you will find, okay, I'm going to search for it again, for woman custom name, and I'm going to, yeah, this is the products that we want. Now find something that looks it's handmade. Like, for example, this product, click on it. And as you can see, this is not a crazy picture that looks like it's coming from a big company. Also on Etsy, you can just see that the same picture. It's professional, but it doesn't look it's something like a product that is not handmade. It looks it's handmade. Okay. Now what you need to do, guys, next is you want to list the same item. Now what you need to do, guys, after you find the item, you want to copy this title on Etsy and start selling. In the top, click on shop manager, and then you can open your shop. If you don't know how to open shop on Etsy, it's very easy and quick. Just search on YouTube how you can do that, and you will find a lot of videos about that. Now let's assume that you already know how to list an item and you know how to open a shop on Etsy, which is very easy, guys. You just want to add the information, your information. You can just click sell in the top, or you can find your shop. Okay, now you want to copy the title of Etsy seller, okay, not Aliexpress seller. After you find the item that you want to sell, always go with Etsy title. Like, copy the title of Etsy seller, because it's proven to work on Etsy. As you can see, it has 200 reviews, which is really good. That's what we want. This title is working. Now you want to list the item with this exact title. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to open a shop right now in front of you guys, in case you don't know how you can do that. Now after you open the shop, guys, you want to just enter here the country, the currency, click save and continue. Here the store name, click save and continue. And here you have to download pictures from Aliexpress. Now if you want to download pictures from Aliexpress, you want to search for this extension. It's called Ali Save Download Aliexpress images and videos. Click the first extension. Like, this is how you type the name of extension. It's called Aliexpress. This is not the extension that I would recommend you guys to download. It's called Ali Save. This is the extension. Okay, this is it. Okay, it's called Ali Save Aliexpress image / video download. This is the extension that can help us download images from AliExpress. Now the moment you click on any product on AliExpress, it will give you 4 different options here. Main images, click on it and the pictures will be downloaded here. Now you want to go to the listing on your Etsy, and then you want to start listing the item. Click on where it says download so that you can find the listings. Okay, click here, and here the pictures here, like just copy the pictures. I know this is not the pictures, this is just an example, like just download these pictures and start listing the items on your on your Etsy account. Now this is very easy, it's not something that is complicated. These are the pictures. Okay, now before you list pictures, if you can edit them. If you can't, then there is nothing wrong. I just like to edit pictures every single time I list something on Etsy. Now after that, guys, you want to scroll down at the title of Etsy seller, like I said. Okay, of course you are going to change something in the title. You can just list this, you can just copy the exact title. You have to change something that talks about your product that you are trying to sell. Okay, now you can just add something from here, from the description, you can add something from the title on AliExpress. You can add it to this title, but don't change everything, because this title is proven to work on Etsy. That's what we want. Now who made this? A lot of people ask me on email, like they send an email, which one should we select? I always go with another company or person, because it's not we are not the one who made this product. I always like honesty, because if you want to make this business reliable, always go with honesty. Like I said, what is it? A finished product. When was it made to order? And here in the description, copy it from AliExpress. But you have to change a lot of things. Keep in mind that you have to change but if you can't find description on AliExpress, go to Etsy and copy the description, scroll down, and of course you are going to change something in the description. Just change the colors, change anything. Like here you can just add the title again here, like change just something. Okay, and then scroll down, and then you can add the shipping. I will leave you with these things because these are very easy. The color, if it's just one color, just add here the silver, for example. And the materials are optional, you don't need to add the option. The price, always mark the price a little bit. For example, this one is selling for $5. Always add for example $20. And here, the reason why I told you guys to select jewelries like this is when someone places an order on your Etsy account and they tell you, hi, I want my name to be in my necklace. What you need to do, you want to go again to AliExpress and contact the seller. Tell him, hi, I would like this name to be on my necklace, because this is custom. Okay, this is what I love about AliExpress. You can find here items that look like they are handmade. Okay, now if you want to buy from AliExpress, just click on buy now, and then you can add the address of the seller, of the buyer on Etsy. Of course, you don't have to add your address here. Add the address of seller that has purchased the item from you on Etsy. And after that, guys, you want to add the payment method here. And after that, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click this pen with paper, and here you have to add the name of the person that has purchased the item from you, so that you can the seller can add the name in the necklace. Okay, and then click confirm, and then click place order, and then after 2 days the product will be shipped. And after that, you just want to open your AliExpress, and you will find click on account, and then click my orders, and you will find the products there. And then copy the tracking number, go to Etsy and send the buyer the tracking number so that they can track their order. And that's exactly how you can start this business. It's very easy, guys. It's not complicated. If you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video, guys, helped you, drop a like. And if you want to learn more about Etsy, click the video in the screen. It will help you a lot. I made another video about Etsy dropshipping. See you guys next video.